Hey guys, so today we're going to be making this creamy potato and leek soup. This is everything you're going to need to make the soup. You'll need a big pot to make the soup in. This one's about 7 liters. Next, you're going to need vegetable stock, chicken stock, heavy whipping cream, carrots, 5 leeks, 4 pounds of potatoes, bay leaves, chives, fresh thyme, 6 cloves of garlic, 1 large onion, a pack of bacon, salt, and black pepper. Make sure you get the stuff you crack yourself and not the powdered shit you get in a jar. These are smaller organic carrots, so we're going to use 8 of them since they are so small. We're going to take the leek and cut off this dark green part at the top, and then you're left with the stalk. Then you're just going to cut right down the center, leaving the base intact. You're going to want to get all in here clean by rinsing it under the sink. Dirt tends to build up in here. Chop the bacon into little pieces. Peel and cut up 4 pounds of potatoes into little pieces like this. Chop your leeks, carrots, and onion into small pieces as well, like this. We want everything to be similar in size. We are going to blend everything at the end, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Mince 6 cloves of garlic. We're going to throw our bacon into a room temperature pot with a bit of oil just to help separate the bacon pieces so they render down easier. Then turn it up to medium heat. The fat from the bacon renders out better if everything heats up at the same time. That's why we start with no heat. Stir it around a bit to make sure the bacon pieces don't stick to each other or the bottom of the pot. Okay, so once all the bacon fat is rendered out, it should look like this. We're going to leave our bacon right in there and add in our leeks, carrot, and chopped up onion. Just like that. Don't spill any. Add a bit of salt to help those vegetables release their moisture. We're going to stir that in and cook it until everything breaks down and takes up about half as much space as this. So it's been about 20 minutes and it should look something like this. At this point, we're going to make a little well. Just push everything off to the sides so you can see the bottom of the pot in the middle. Then we're going to add our garlic and cook it for about 3 minutes or until fragrant. When that's over and your garlic is smelling nice, grab those potatoes and add them into the pot. All of them. Every last one of them. Add your chicken stock and vegetable stock and pray that your pot is big enough, which thankfully in this case it is. Now it's time to add your thyme. Oh god, sorry. I've tied mine up with butcher's twine to make it easier to remove, and then I've added 3 bay leaves. Add some fresh cracked pepper and stir everything together, making sure all of the potatoes and herbs are fully submerged in the stock. Bring that up to a boil, then simmer until the potatoes are fully cooked and fork tender. We're gonna fish out our thyme and try not to burn yourself like I did. And there we go. Don't forget your bay leaves. Once that's all out, use your immersion blender to blend your soup. If you don't have one, I highly recommend picking one up, but if not, you can just use a regular blender. Once you're done blending your soup, it should be creamy and look like this. But that's not creamy enough. So grab your cream and add about half a cup into your soup and stir everything together until it looks something like this. Add a little more cream and this is what you got. Test your soup for seasoning and realize it needs more salt. Taste your soup again and realize that it's amazing. Do a little dance and go back in for some more. And that's how you make this creamy potato and leek soup. Hope you guys enjoy. If you liked the video, give it a like and a subscribe. And if you didn't like it, well, thanks for watching anyway.